Good morning. I wanted to give you a quick update about this generator. It works. Just so you know, in case you have a problem with this on something else, there was still a little bit of fuel, stale fuel, that was in the bottom of the carburetor. So I pulled that out. And the other thing too was that I think there was still some of the small jets in there were blocked up. So I cleaned those out and got that working. But the biggest thing was that the butterfly valve was broken. There's a plastic piece that holds a butterfly valve on it so it can rotate. One of the tabs on it had broken off, so that piece was just flapping around down here. So basically, when you went to try and start it before, you weren't getting any choke, so you were getting no fuel, so it wasn't starting. But anyway, there it is. So yeah, thank you for the generator. I do appreciate it, and I hope you have a great day.